Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Boyne Kitchen Equipment Limited Corporation for visit their company and their factory. Our company was founded in 2010, which is strictly in terms of the bakery equipment for manufacture high quality and reliable products. Our company has been committed on research, development, production, sales on commercial bakery equipment. So without further ado, let's get started.
We have been trusted and supported by our domestic and foreign customers for many years. Boyne Kitchen Equipment are recognized as high-end products in the bakery equipment industry. Excellent quality, international certified standards, and professional service have helped Boyne to obtain worldwide reputation and sold to more than 18 countries.
Here is our production line. We have professional workers to cut each component of the product. Quality control throughout the whole process to do a good job in every detail for you.
Our factory covers the area of more than 1,000 square meters standard industrial workshop, with more than 100 workers and a monthly production capacity of more than 20 GP container. By now, we have a complete management mechanism, advanced production technology, excellent design concepts, and development capabilities. All products are made of high-quality stainless steels. Beautiful appearance, novel in style, wide in variety, and meet the requirements of national health and safety standards.
Here is our warehouse. We have a warehouse dedicated to storing the products. You can see that all the products have been packed and ready to deliver, which means we can deliver the goods as soon as we confirm the orders.
Deck ovens are one of our most exported and most popular equipment, which allows you to bake or cook a variety of foods, such as bread, various meats, cakes, etc. The baking chamber is lined with aluminum steel and supported by a strong angle iron frame, thereby improving durability. Thanks to the multi-layer design and independent control, you can cook many different products at the same time.
You can see this kind of deck ovens of our company. Look at here. The temperature range of the thermos is about 0 to 400 degrees, and the temperature of each layer can be separately controlled to achieve the desired effect. Alright, that's pretty much about today's video, and thanks for your listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time, and I will put the website in here. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.